Outfield, back up.
You did cut.
Up, get there. Runner. Get there, Mike. Get out. Get out. It's like, hey, Dad. You'll be like, what the fuck? Your mom's gonna be like, what the fuck? There you go, just go. You're good. Don't bring up bad habits, man. It's nice, man, Dad.
Oh, that's a ball. That's a ball. That's fine.
No, you are not.
No pitch, no pitch. Here we go.
Good job, man. Tristan, it's okay. Tommy.
Careful, get your eyes in.
That's it, yeah.
Have your dad help
There you
you
go.
before you put that in your eye. Because it's going to burn.
We need you on that steel, bud.
Go, you see it? I'm a leader. Not 250. This is like 100. Hey, don't give up on that. Stay back. 400. What? I go. Ready. Ready to move.
Anything close, baby. Anything close. Be aggressive. Let's go.
Check the outside. The outside pitch to right field.
Oh, 3-2.
Hey!
Hey, listen. Right up top. Back up.
Check two.
On.
My
On. Hey, battle. Let's go, Santi. Hey. No line, protect the outside. Tommy. One down, one.
One.
Every time.
No, that's a team for me.
Thank you. You guys have to do that every pitch.
Here you go, 1-1.
Go, you gotta run back, ready to hit. Welcome you. Tommy, back up. Bring it up, yeah.
You good? Yeah.
Gotta be ready to hit. No, what are we not? Don't play the ball. Protect the outside, huh?
Check three. Woo!
There's no way that ball is going to go right.
Six,
Oh, of
I know. I think that she didn't hear you.
Go now.
Let's be aggressive, baby. Let's be aggressive and start swinging.
Don't get lazy. Keep an eye.
Cordell is dropping, man.
Cordell, we gotta run into the square position. Drive him in.
Stay up high. Stay up high.
You're good, kid. You're good.
Hey, ain't no one better, Ardell. Let's go.
Take a chance and swing it back, kid.
Confidence right here. See the ball, hit the ball. Hard contact.
Tag.
There you go.
See that?
Closer to me.
Yo, Mikey was already at the bat. He's over there, bro, with those Hey, so you're telling me when I throw pitches like this, that you guys are, I'm striking you guys out. That's amazing, guys.
Fight,
Take a
baby.
chance.
Let's
See
go.
what you can smash it.
remind me of the walk back to the base on this side
Right.
That was awesome though.
Two. Slide. Good idea. Out of boy or down.
Let's go.
Good job.
So Jamie, get up, kid.
We're gonna try some, kid. To the move.
Tommy, range up. Bigger, hurry. Tommy, way to be there.
Beautiful pitch. I know it's a little low, but it's good.
Go, right here. Right one, right here. Get off.
Go, Damien. Go, kid.
Runner.
Runner.
Eat it. Down. Hey, if he just keeps walking out, we have to come our sixes check off.
Let's go, Damien. Base it.
Tommy, over there. Clear out.
We're winning right now, but we lost our 2 other games. When do you guys play?
We're playing right now.
You guys play right now?
Basically.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys get some good.
I throw the same thing to you guys and you're probably getting shook it out. Attack, attack, attack. Everybody's gonna attack. No excuses, guys. Come on.
What's in the hole?
Man, back up.
Let's go, Jack.
Oh, shit. That's a good question.
That's too far.
Look at him.
1-0.
Look at him. Look at him.
Get
Get out.
Oh, yeah!
No pressure, Jack. Jack.
Hey, Ryan. Hard. I can only give you the answer.
It is.
Baseball, bro.
Yeah. You guys lost the first 2 games.
No, that's too far. 2-0.
You would have won one of
Bring it a little bit, Come on. 2-0.
championship or something like that.
Outside, right?
Foul, let it go.
I can't see.
2-1.
Turn on that, baby.
Two.
I don't need no way. I need you to sharpen your skills up for Arizona.
Hey, somebody get the bat.
Hey, who's on deck? Hey, Emilio, go ahead, hey. Emilio, keep your legs on.
Runner. Down.
Right in the inside base. Cup check.
It's a strike. You got time.
Right.
Yeah, it's a strike. You got time. Is he okay?
You're wearing your cup. You got a cup on, kid?
Right. Hey, let's go.
There you go. That was a strike.
Come on. Stay back on that back leg. Right? Let it come to you.
Eli.
Good.
Sit back on it, baby. Sit back on it.
Runner. Down. Back. Get up, bro.
Being aggressive on the base.
Yeah, it's like you and me. Sit back, see it, finish it. Hey, get that foot down and get it done. Hey, who's up, Isaiah?
Right, boy.
Hey, Eli, why are you on deck right now when Emilio's in?
Tommy, back
You're in the
up.
hole.
Back up. Back
Nice foul.
Hey, right read on that one, right? Yeah, feel good about that. That's good feedback.
2-2.
Let's go, Isaiah. Put that in play.
Throw it, kid. Two. Hurry up.
Who's up?
On that curveball, right? Especially if you're ahead, I'd rather you spike it than you cut.
He's after Emilio.
Go, dugout. Quick one.
Hey, Chad.
Run it. Get down.
Down.
That's not.
Nobody, hey, if you don't get down, it's a close call. You're going to be out. It's not a slide zone.
That's sliding through, Dad.
Go, maybe I'll drive it. You like how? Get the feet down.
Do this one.
Eat it, eat it.
Reset. You're doing your job. Throw that. And do your job back there. Doing your job. Put down sooner, right? Good. Lead all the way in.
That's a little high. 2-2. I mean 3-1. Sorry, 3-1. 3-1. 3-1.
Back.
It's coming, it's coming.
Thank you for listening.
Wide up 24.
Hey, let's go. Switch it. Same spot.
Hey, look at your bat.
Hey, Emilio, come here.
Ellie, can I go first?
Emilio.
No.
Stand back from all over there.
Yeah, 6 spots.
Got it? Go.